Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class.
How are you children? I hope you are all are fine. Welcome to third class. This is your maths teacher Lata ma'am. Before entering the topic, I will ask you some questions. Are you ready children? What is the shape of this clock? Circle. What is the shape of this clock? Circle. What is the shape of this box? Tell me. What is the shape of this box? Cylinder. What is the shape of this matchbox? Cuboid. What is that? Cuboid. What is the shape of this whiteboard? Rectangle. What is the shape of this whiteboard? A rectangle. Children, what is this? Circle. What is this? Circle. Yes? This is triangle. What is this? Triangle. This is square. What is this? Square. What is this? Rectangle. See, circle, triangle, square, rectangle. What are these? Tell me. What are these? This is called shapes. What is this all? Shapes. Our chapter name is Chapter 1, Shapes. What is the chapter name? Tell me children. Shapes. We have two types of shapes. As children, we have two types of shapes. One is plane shape, another is solid shape. Plane shape we will call 2D shapes. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. What is this? Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. These are 2D shapes. 3D shapes. 3D shapes means solid shapes. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. These are 3D shapes. Okay children? See how many types of shapes are here? Two types. Plane shapes, solid shapes. Plane shape we will call 2D shapes. Solid shapes we are called 3D shapes. Children, we have learnt various shapes formed by straight lines and curved lines. Let us recall them, okay? I will show you how to draw the lines. Types of lines. Line, line segment, ray, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines, curved lines. How to draw this I will show you. Okay children? See properly. Line. Line segment. Ray. Horizontal line. Horizontal line means sleeping lines. Horizontal line means what? Sleeping lines. Sleeping lines we will call horizontal lines. Vertical line. Vertical line means standing line. Vertical means standing. Slant line. Slant line means slope. Slant. Slant means what? Slope. Sloping line will call slant line. Slope line will call slant line. Curved line. Curved. Curved shape. See, curved. Curved shape we will call curved line. See, curved lines. This is called curved lines. Okay. See, types of lines. What are they? Line, line segment, ray, horizontal line, vertical lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines, curved lines. These all you should write in the classwork. Okay children? should write in the classwork. First one is line. Second one is line segment. Third one ray. Horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines, curved lines. Copy in the classwork. Okay, children? Straight line and curved lines help us to make open figure and closed figure, children. Let us learn that. Okay? Closed figure. Closed figure. How to make the closed figures. Okay? See. S. These called closed figures. See, what are the types of lines came here? Tell me. Curved shape lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines. All lines came here. Yes. Okay. Now open figure. Open figures. See, this is called open figures. I will say you next. Closed figures. Closed figures which end at the point from where they start are called closed figures. See once. It starts from here and end. Yes or no? See, figure which end at the point from where they start are called closed figure. See, like this. Okay, children, this is called closed figures. See, like this. Figure which end at the point from where they start are called closed figure. Open figures. Open figures. Figures which do not end at the point from where they start are called open figures. See, like this. It will not end. Okay. See. See, this is called open figure. See, figures which do not end at the point from where they start are called open figure. What is it? Once again I will say you open figure. Open figure. Figure which do not end at the point from where they start are called open figure. Once again learn this, children. Read this. Closed figure. Figures which end at the point from where they start are called closed figure. Open figure. Figure which do not end at the point from where they start are called open figures. See, children, when you are writing the classwork, you should draw the margin lines. How to draw the margin lines, I will show you. Okay? Keep straight scale. After that, draw the lines. Okay, children? After that, we should write chapter name. Chapter 1, shapes. Okay. Then, you should learn new words. You should write new words. Ray, straight, vertical, curve, line segment, slant, open, closed, dimension, Ray, R-A-Y, ray. Straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Vertical, V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L, vertical. Curve, C-U-R-V-E-D, curve. Line segment, L-I-N-E, line. S-E-G-M-E-N-T, segment, line segment. Slant, S-L-A-N-T, slant. Open, O-P-E-N, open. Close, C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. Dimension, D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N, dimension. Ray, straight, vertical, curved, line segment, slant, open, closed, dimension. You should write in the classwork. Okay, children? Ray, straight, vertical, curved, line segment, slant, open, closed, dimension. Three times you should write in the classwork book. Okay, children? Children, open textbook, page number 2. Okay, they given, try this. Write open figure or closed figure in the given blanks. You should write in these blanks which one is closed figure, which one is open figure. Okay, they given 4. You should write that. Next, objects, some objects they given and shapes they given. You should write name of the shapes. See, which shape is this, that name you should write. Which shape is this, that name you should write. Okay, again you should write 1D or 2D in these blanks. Okay, children? Next, open workbook. Children, open your workbook, page number 1. Yeah, they given recall multiply choice questions as the shape of 1 rupee is. Shape of 1 rupee is, option they given, circle, square, rectangle, triangle. Which one you should write? Yeah, circle. Circle you should write in the blank. Next, a triangle is a dash figure. Triangle is a dash figure. Which triangle? You know triangle, na? Triangle is a closed figure or open figure? Tell me. See, triangle. This is closed figure or open figure? Closed figure. Yes. This one we will call 2D or 3D figure? 2D figure. Yes. They given the option. See. 2D, closed, both AB, open. Triangle is a 2D figure and closed figure. Yes. Option C is the right answer. Both AB. Understood? Next, the shape of this is, what is the shape? Tell me. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Which is the shape of this? Which one? Rectangle. That one you should write in the blanks. Okay, children? Write in the workbook this. I will give you homework. Children, everyone open your diary and write this homework. Okay? Homework. Write new words 3 times in classwork. Draw the 2D and 3D figures and name them in homework. What is that homework today? Write the new words 3 times in the classwork and draw the 2D and 3D figures and name them in homework. Okay, children? Should write down. Copy this in the diary. Every day you should write the homework, children. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, children.